gonna fill your phone in your pocket.
Okay.
Or give it to me.
Okay, I'll put it in my pocket.
If you want it, something, you let me know, you put it here, okay?
Got it. But why is there Christmas stuff? I don't know. There are two things wrong with this. One, the after Halloween is freaking Thanksgiving. Why? Oh, why? Because there's Christmas decorations. There's so question. Well, these decorations aren't half bad, seeing that it's 2018. What? Sir? Wait. Did I see a knife? Toy knives? Because I need them. I see no toy knives. This is not good. I see no toy knives. Not close enough. I tried. Not close enough either. Well. Put more off there? Nope. Birthday. This is creepy. Do I need to investigate? Yes, I do. Oh, it's just a puzzle. Well. Because Christmas stuff during October. It has me confused.
As soon as I finish Halloween, start with Christmas.
Yeah, because December comes right after October. Apparently. Because you know what? Just screw Thanksgiving. I mean, I could say screw Thanksgiving. Totally be okay with it.
No.
Sure, let's go with that. Dollar Tree.
Okay. Bye.
They're not enough planters.
Bye.
Puzzles, because children love to do that. Nope, they want to play Fortnite.
You remember that?
Remember what?
I buy a lot for you.
Yeah, you did. I still do. And it has me questioning. I thought it said watercolor for a sec, because a girl, you cannot use watercolor on a freaking marker. Not how it works. What the hell is this? That's for the people with actual backyards. More art supplies. More Christmas stuff. Because why the hell not? Just totally skip over Thanksgiving. Ribbons. Someone's paying attention. Whoever made this stuff is actually paying attention to what comes after. Or is it? More Halloween stuff. This vlog is getting boring. More birthday stuff. Do I see candy? Holy crap. Holy crepe. So many jelly beans. Well, there are just some people in the world. Oh, okay, so they do have candy corn, but I don't feel like having any at the moment. Because chocolates, just decorate them and then boom, you got people buying them. Oh, this candy section is overrated. Where's Grandma? Hello? Cookies? They're not even actual cookies in these. Even more art supplies. And then I'm not gonna get because all this stuff is trash. Everyone goes to that one store. Has a bunch of chaotic children and that you want to super avoid, but you can't. Commercial break. I see food on the other aisle. The next moment I find Christmas stuff, you already know that November doesn't exist anymore. In fact, let's go look for more Christmas stuff and criticize other products. This stuff will kill you. I think. More candy. Because why the hell not? Let's look at this. More jelly beans. I don't really know how to feel about jelly beans anymore. Alright, I'm just talking to myself. Why the frick? What? I thought I saw someone up there. Well, that's creepy. I don't see no ice cream. Ew, is that Lunchables? Yeah, better not be a boy. Lunchables are so overrated, it's not even funny. Look on the last section is actually for ice cream, even though ice cream more than other crap. Remember those? Yeah, remember those French toast on the sticks? Young boys eat those all the time, and now my parents don't buy it anymore. It's dead to me. Where the hell's my fam? Cup noodles. Everyone eats that at my school. $1 right here. $1. I'm just gonna go more and criticize more stuff. You just always can Everyone loves paper plates. Excuse me, what? Something just flew over and I'm gonna investigate. There's a bird in this store. Grandma, there's a bird in this store. There's a bird in the store.
What do you want to buy?
I said there's a bird in the store. What the frick? Oh, I'm... Hold on. We're gonna hunt this bird down like I'm gonna hunt it, even though I do not believe in hurting animals. Where's that bird at? You know, I'm just that one kid who sees something and then they try to look for it. Where's that bird at? Where is it? This where I'm just looking for that bird. Found it. Where it is you?
Sweet.
Yeah? Hold on. Where the hell is it? Where did the bird go? The
Are
bird
you gonna make me hold this?
is gone now.
Oh, you.
The bird's gone somewhere.
Now that you brought that up, now you're picking me up. Fuck out of here. And now that you brought that up, you're picking me up. 'Cause I am.
Where the hell?
$6.50.
Where the hell did that bird go? I'm so determined to find it, it's not even funny. Holy crap. I could not imagine one of my teachers is. Young boy?
4 o'clock.
It's around here somewhere, I just don't know where. This has me so triggered. Oh my god, you have no idea how Not anything really. Not anything really.
Who you from?
Okay.